tools, you'll need a 7/16, half inch, 9/16, 5/8, a 7/16 socket, and a pair of channel locks. And we also have a grease gun that we'll use to help purge the line and make sure it's good and full of grease, and put a little bit down inside the bearings. Putting your nuts back on your studs, and go ahead and tighten these back up. Okay, those are tightened back up. We're going to hook these back up here. Just kind of snug them up good. Okay, we have these all nice and done, but we want to make sure that we're getting grease through. Right here between the middle of these two fittings is a grease zerk. Take your grease gun, get it on there, and we're waiting to see grease to push up through the tube. Get our 5/8 wrench back out here, tighten these down. Take your grease gun. If you have a manual, I'd put about a dozen pumps, maybe up to 15. And that should push some more grease down into the bearings to make sure we have good fresh grease at the bearings.